older Ford, four-wheel drive, 7710, and it was out doing some corn harvesting with a new idea corn harvester. And there's some corn right there. There's some right there. Pretty neat, isn't it? This is plastic fingers. And it looks like it goes through the rollers here as it goes with the corn. Machines have for its period of time. This would be so much fun to have and run. Look at that. Look at that. Dry shaft raises and lowers it. This is driven by a dry shaft belt. Nice tractor. Looks like it hardly has any use on it. Very nice. And it's been out working in the field. Alright, buddy. So there you have it. Please like, share, and subscribe, buddy. Bye for now.